Okay, so guys, welcome back. I will show you on how to make your first $20 okay, for free. You just have to complete tax in this platform and you get paid for doing that, right? So guys, if you're new to this channel, I will recommend that you subscribe to this channel so that you get more updates on how you make money online for free. Okay, so let's just get into this video. So when you click on the link in the description of this video, you'll be asked to register, right? You register for free. So you can choose to register with your email address or your phone number, okay? So whichever one that is best for you, you do that. If you want, you can register with your phone number, okay? So for me, I'll register with my phone number, and you just have to change your country from here, okay? So you choose your country. This platform is accepting thousands and thousands of countries here, okay? So for me, I will put Nigeria, and you put your phone number, okay? So after you put your phone number, okay, so you put this code, right? You put this code here. So you put your email address, you put your password and you confirm your password. And now guys, make sure that this code is reflecting, okay? I hope you can see that. Make sure that code is there, 4815231, okay? So when you are done with filling in these informations, so make sure you click on register now, okay? So when you click on register now, you will be taken to your dashboard, okay? So you just allow it to load after you have logged in. So these are the tasks you will be completing in this platform where you'll be able to get paid, okay? So you can do the one of Facebook, okay? You can do YouTube, so you can do Instagram, and also you can do TikTok, right? So you see that many people are completing a lot of tasks here, right? So you can see that this platform is active and they are paying. And make sure you also share this platform to your friends and let them join, okay? So when you go to your account, I believe you can see that here. So when you go to your account, you click on my, okay? So you scroll down, so you'll be able to navigate in this platform smoothly when you download the application, right? So you download the application, you just tap on download app, okay? So when you click on download app, what you do next, you click on install app, okay? So you can see they are actually paying. So they have 48 score reviews, okay? So if you can just look down below, you will see that they have a positive review and they are actually paying, okay? So I just thought of bringing up this for you guys so you can make money online for free, okay? So when you have downloaded your application, what you do next, you just go to your download from your browser, okay? So you open the application, right? So you just tap on there to open the application, okay? So you go to downloads, right? So you click on downloads, okay? And you just click on, you open your application, right? You open your application, okay? So you just install, click on install, you allow it to load, right? Allow it to load, guys. So make sure you subscribe this channel, okay? It will help you to make money online and show you more profitable ways. So you just click on open, okay? So you allow it to open, right? So let it open, guys. And once this app opens, you'll be able to perform your task smoothly and earn your money on this platform, okay? So you just allow the interface to come up. Okay, so now that we are here, right? Okay, I have already logged in and it is that simple, right? So you just log in with your details. For me, I'll choose Nigeria. I'll put my phone number. Okay, so remove the first number in your country code so you'll be able to do that, okay? So for me, I will just put in my details automatically, and you click on log in now, right? Okay, login successful, right? So next thing you have to do, you click on YouTube, so you complete tasks for this day, okay? You click on YouTube, okay? So for this, we have daily tax for this, okay? So this is our tax for today. Like we have 3. So when you upgrade, so the more you earn, the more you will accumulate, and you can use your earning to upgrade, okay? You don't need to pay money, you don't need to send money to anybody, okay? I repeat again, you don't need to send money to anybody, okay? So when you make your money in this platform, you can upgrade to level 1 to VIP 1, so you earn more. You can also upgrade with your other earnings to earn more, so you can also upgrade to earn more and more, okay? So with this, you can able to pay some of your bills and do other things and enjoy your vacations. So guys, when you go back to home, Okay, so you click on tasks, right? So you click on tasks, right? So you click on task, and you see that in this part you don't have any tasks here, right? So so what you will do is you just go back. Okay, so you just go back and you click on my, that is your profile. Okay, so when you are on this place, okay, when you're on this place and you want to make more money from this platform, they have a referral program. Okay, they have a referral program where you'll be able to invite your friends. Okay, so you can see that your code will be reflecting like this. Okay, so you just click on copy and send to your friends, tell them to register, and when they do register and complete tasks, you begin to earn money on this platform, right? Okay, so when you click on this part where it says today's remaining task, so you click on there. Okay, okay, let's see. Okay, so you just okay, so when you go back again, and remember you click on task, right? So remember you click on task, right? Remember you click on task. So you are not expected to click here. You leave these ones, you leave them, because you are still on the free plan. Okay, so you click on this, right? You click on this, and so what you will do here is you claim all these tasks, right? You claim all of them, right? You claim all of them. You can claim all of them. You click on receiving. Okay, success. You click on receiving, right? So when you claim all this, you now return back to your task where you'll be able to okay, so you can only claim three tasks here, right? You can only claim on 3 tasks here, right? So you just go back. Okay, so you go back to your task. You just tap on there to go back. Okay, so what you will do next, you click on your task again. Okay, so remember that you also click on your task again. So when you click on there, all that you have clicked on receive will be reflecting here. Okay, so what you will do is, okay, so this person requires that we send a screenshot. I think yes, this person requires that we subscribe, present subscriptions. Okay, let's just see how it works, and let us start with this. Okay, and with this, right? So you click on submit. Okay, so you first of all open the task. Okay, so publish content, so you click on copy. Okay, so you'll be able to go over to the person's what's it called, the person's channel, and you complete. So you just see how it works, right? So you just follow the instruction, click on jump. Okay, then secondly, you like the person's video, and thirdly, you just have to put your screenshots, and fourthly, you just have to just submit your task. Okay, so you submit your task here, right? Yeah, so you click on jump now. So we just get over to the YouTube channel and complete our task. Click on jump. Okay, so let it come up. Okay, so we're taking over to our YouTube channel, right? So you just have to like the person's picture and person's video and take a screenshot. Okay, so this is how it is. So you just click on like. Okay, you click on like. Okay, this one requires us to sign in our YouTube. Okay, this one requires us to sign in our YouTube. So let's just go sign in our YouTube and come back to this. Okay guys, so now that we have signed in our YouTube, so you remember the steps we are, right? So you just click on like. Okay, so now that we have liked this video, you bring out your screen for screenshots, right? So you screenshot. Okay, so when you screenshot this, you can just put down arrow if you wish. Okay, like for me, I will just put it there and I will leave it and I will save. if you don't wish to mark it with any color, you can leave it like that. Okay, so what you will do is you have to go back and submit your screenshots. Okay, so you go back and submit your screenshots. So let's go back. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard, dashboard, right? So if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe this channel and follow up. Okay, so we post more videos like this on how to make money online. Okay, let's go back. So going back, right? Okay, so we are on the first one, right? So you just tap on the first one. So you let us submit our proof. Okay, so you submit your proof, or you scroll down below. Okay, so you scroll down below. Okay, so let's put our image. So we put our screenshot. So it will appear here, right? This is where it will appear. So you tap there to put your screenshot. Okay, so next is for you to scroll down and click on submit completed task. Okay, so that we get paid for this task and we'll be rewarded for this. Okay, so now that we have submitted this task, our task is now on audit. Okay, so then we have to go through it, and you have to go through it, and you understand how it works. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so you click on the next one, just tap. Okay, you just tap and let it open. Okay, so you just read the description, task description. This person is writing in a kind of Spanish or whatsoever. So what you will do is you click on jump again. Just remember the steps. Okay, so you click on jump. So we'll be taken over to the YouTube platform where we will complete our task and actually get paid. Okay. Okay, so you just click on like, and you take your screenshot again. Okay. So now that you have taken your screenshot, like for me, I will just mark it. Okay. Save it. Okay. So after saving, you just press back button. Okay. So you go back to for the actual task and submit. Okay. So remember again, you just tap on this picture. So you put your screenshot. Okay. You tap on your screenshot. Okay. So next is just for you to click on submit task. Okay. Click on submit task. So make sure your screenshot is there, right? So you click on submit completed task. Okay. Success. And you just click on, you go back again. Okay, so the next and the last one for today, because you're on free, you tap there again. Okay, so you click on jump. Okay, so you like the video, you take your screenshots. Okay, so make sure you read the description, right? Read the description of the task before you go towards it. Okay, so I will save and you go press the back button. Okay, if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe this channel. Okay, so you'll be able to make money online, and for every 22 points, okay, this is what we call points, right? So if your point is accumulated to 22 points, that is 22 yes, accumulated to $27 US, right? So you are making a lot of money for this platform for free. So next, you just click here to put your picture. Okay, so you put your screenshot that you have just screenshot from the completed task. Okay, so I'll just put it there, and next you click on submit completed task. So you allow your picture to first of all load. Okay, success, and we are now on audit. Okay, so you just go back. Let's just see our pending task. Okay, So you go to your pending, you will notice that our tasks here are on pending. So you see that our tasks are on pending. So if you want to check if you have failed completely, you just click here to see. And let's just see, we don't have any failed one yet. So pending. So in a few minutes will be approved, and tomorrow you come back. Okay, so you click on tasks. Okay, so you click on task, right? So you just have to follow all the steps. Register with your phone number or with your email address. Okay, so you remember that, and you just come to task and make sure you put in on the task. So you click on task. Okay, so you see that you have nothing here, right? That doesn't mean you click on task again. Okay, so you just go back to mine. Okay, so when you go back to mine, just for you to understand every steps that we have taken here. Okay, you understand every steps that we have taken here. Okay, so remember that when you go to your dashboard, okay, when you go home to your dashboard, you click on Facebook. You wish to do a Facebook task, you wish to do a YouTube task, you wish to do Instagram task, okay, or you have to do TikTok, whichever one you want to do. You just let's just say you want to do an Instagram, so you type on Instagram. Okay, so for Instagram you have 3 tasks for today to complete. Okay, so you click on here, right? So when you click on receiving, so you notice that you have already completed your 3 tasks for today. So it depends on the one you want to work with. Okay, so when you click on receiving, you click this, you click this. For example, you have come back the next day and you click this. Okay, so you just go back, and when you click on task, you will notice that all the tasks that you have all clicked will be all listed here. Okay, so when they are listed here, you'll be able to complete them just like I've showed you in this video. So make sure you recap and watch this video again, and I would recommend that you subscribe to this channel so we update you on how to make money online. Okay, this platform pays higher. Okay, so the more you earn, the more you complete tasks, and the more you continue to earn in this platform. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video.